Might be more different. It's simply mathematics. What are we talking about here?
Welcome to the common denominator. We are going to solve another math problem. This particular math problem was submitted by Lakeisha. Thank you, Lakeisha, for the problem. And here's the solution. We're asked to find the difference quotient of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And remember my blog, I talk about the language of mathematics, right? Of course, when you have a division problem, you're talking about finding a quotient, and then here you're talking about finding the difference. So this is find the difference quotient for f of x when it's equal to 8x plus 9 when h is not equal to 0. When h is not equal to 0. Because when h is equal to 0, of course, the function is undefined. Now, when we're talking about finding the difference quotient, the main component here that we need to start with is basically substituting this particular equation into this particular equation so you can find the solution. Now, what's obvious is the fact that f of x is equal to 8x plus 9 can be easily substituted in for this component. So we can start with f of x plus h minus f of x. Well, we know what f of x is because it's given to us. 8x plus 9. So let's put in here 8x plus 9. What's not so obvious is the fact that what's f of x plus h? Again, this is all over h. Okay, we're just doing a basic substitution here. So we did find out, we substituted f of x for 8x plus 9. That was pretty simple. So the question becomes, how do we substitute f of x plus h in? Here's how you do that. Well, f of x plus h is equal to, well, you do that by every place that there is an x, you substitute it in for x plus h. Okay? So this becomes 8x plus h, because we just substitute this value in for that, plus 9. Now that we have that, let's multiply this through. So this becomes 8x plus 8h plus 9. So f of x plus h is equal to 8x plus 8h plus 9. Now we can substitute this back into our equation. So this becomes 8x plus 8h plus 9 minus 8x plus 9 all over h. And then finally, let's simplify. 8x and 8x are like terms. So 8x minus 8x is equal to 0. So this is cancels. And then there's no another h here. So we have a 9 minus another 9. So 9 minus 9 is also 0. So we can cancel this component out. So what are we left with? We're left with 8h over h. So this is equals to 8h over h. Well, you can also cancel this out, h, and then you're left with the value for the difference quotient, which is 8. Okay? Once again, we found the difference quotient of f of x plus h minus f of x over h for f of x equal to 8x plus 9 when h is not equal to 0. Again, thank you, Lakeisha, for your problem.
Might be more different. It's simply mathematics. What are we talking about here?